like a blue tack, drum, AR, and then the double barrel. You know, like you're just sitting in the 6 slot for that moment that you're ever just hugging somebody. I feel like it's not really a main shotgun slot, simply because it's just like, I don't know. Later, brother. Hey, at a blue tag. Let's go, baby. Hell yeah, dude. Oh no, why they keep giving me this thing? No, dude. No. This thing doo-doo. This thing doo-doo. Doo-doo. Probably not. I wish I could see how much I did right there. Shit. Oh shit, I forgot. I forgot about the freaking timer, bro. Fuck. There's a brother over there. Let's go get him. Let's go get him, boys. I actually can't shoot this guy down. Feels bad. Get predicted, kid. Like, stuff like that is fantastic. But you could do the same with an auto, you know? Yo, I'm not bugging. What the? Chat! I can shoot! Oh. What do you mean, brother? What do you mean? Map. TSM Daequan hit us. Later, kid. Having 2 of them so you don't have to reload is actually pretty fun, bro. But it's pretty fun when you don't have to reload. I still don't think it's worth, though. Jesus, bro. Hello? What are you doing, brother? Perfect.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
I want to know how much health he had, bro. I didn't see how much I hit. Fuck. GG, baby. Oh man.
Full barrel shotgun coming out soon.
Uh-huh.
New epic and legendary shotgun that can be fired twice in rapid succession.
I can't wait to get 2 apps in a row.
Hog clap. It's on my news update right now.
Yeah, it is me too. It is me too. Bro.
Fired twice in rapid succession, bro.
That means, yeah, that means that, that's 100% for, you can now burst someone down if you get that.
With a 10-second reload.
Yeah, it's probably pretty.
It's gonna take forever to reload. I know it.
Yeah, you're just gonna have 5 of those, and there you go. Bam, 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 bam. Just imagine four of the best players just like all building up to you, right? And they're like 150 each, like 50 shield 100, and you're boom, boom, bam. Switch your second one, boom, boom. Oh, come on.
I wonder if it one taps though.
It probably doesn't. It's probably like, it'll probably like headshot for like point blank headshot will probably like hard. It'll be like.
I bet if you hit both, it'll kill.
Well, that's the whole point. The point is, I think it's gonna be like a probably like 150.
It's gonna be 2 shots.
Yeah, it's 2 shots. So I'm thinking like.
Yeah, 2 shots and yeah. I think it would have to be more than 150 though.
I agree. It'll probably be like 175, 180. But like it's gotta be like full spread. I think the goal is to that, like, you know, you just kind of headshot for like 100. Like the headshotting for 100, it needs just to be consistent. So that you can definitely just like bang bang. Oh man, dude, I can't wait to get wrecked by that.
All right, this is my theory, Turner. Are you here?
What?
With the new shotgun coming, they're gonna vault the pump, and then place the pump with the new shotty. I think.
Why would they do that? It doesn't make any sense.
Why did they vault the tactical SMG?
No, they just need to remove. They need to remove.
They're not gonna have. Wait, how many shotguns in the game? 3. They're not gonna have 4 shotguns in the game.
They don't need 4 shotguns, bro. They need to fucking.
Yeah, a new one's coming out. That's what I'm saying.
I miss having a gray and green reliable pump shotgun on the ground, dude.
Dude, no skins are pretty cute. We went for that no scope, man. They'll never see you. Perfect. You just blend right in. Oh, not so much.
Wow, what a phenomenal gaming experience. My name is Shrugs with a fake T in my name, brother. 21 health. Get wrecked, kid. In your hand.